Introducing the Hybrid DECI Duo, an intelligent solution from an industry pioneer. The first and only automated support removal and surface finishing solution for 3D printed parts in a single multi-functioning system. The DECI Duo is like no other in the world, engineered specifically for finishing additive manufactured parts and designed for all 3D print materials and 3D print technologies. Ideal for the quickest cycle time on advanced materials such as resins, thermoplastics, and metals. The Hybrid DECI Duo finishes even the most complex parts, including those with internal channels, organic geometries, and honeycombs. Anywhere water can flow, we can clean. The comprehensive post-process solution of patent-pending software, user-friendly hardware, and eco-friendly consumables works collectively to deliver exacting support removal and surface finishing while increasing the throughput of your production. The DECI Duo is your operator and maintenance manager rolled into one. Driven by our custom automated software, our proprietary agitation algorithm offers preset recipe programs of varying agitation intensity levels, process times, and temperatures to accurately produce a final part meeting your unique specifications. The Hybrid DECI Duo thinks like a member of your team, monitoring and reacting in real time to maintain optimal conditions. Exclusively designed with sophisticated features like pre-programmed preventative maintenance schedules, intelligent cycle time programming, and one-touch repeatability with recipes stored within the software. Unlock scalable 3D printing with the Hybrid DECI Duo's patent-pending hardware design that allows you to achieve exponential leaps in productivity. The DECI Duo drives efficiency in your operations, performing support removal and surface finishing in one compact footprint. Our automated turntable reduces manual touch, ensuring consistency of your end part. A smart electrical panel design, hinged for easy access for maintaining controls and motors. Even greater throughput with the system's pass-through door capability, helping streamline your entire additive manufacturing operation. The DECI Duo is also a clean-in-place system. When finishing is complete, wash down and dry off parts within the same chamber. And when needed, the flexibility of a manual mode allows for hands-on part finishing. Imagine the possibilities. Increase consistency of your end parts with replicable, high-quality uniformity, even with complex geometries. Maximize efficiency with fast cycle times and batch processing for increased throughput. Finish all surfaces, even in parts with difficult-to-reach internal geometries. Redirect your skilled labor to other value-added activities. All made reality with the Hybrid DECI Duo. High performance and multiple operations in one integrated space-saving solution. It's time to finish the process.